Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. Today, as we take in the beauty of nature around us, we will reflect on the art of Arabic calligraphy and the five common mistakes beginners often make. Just like nature, calligraphy requires balance, patience, and precision. Let's begin this journey together. Arabic calligraphy is a beautiful and timeless art form, but beginners often fall into some common traps. In this video, we will uncover 5 mistakes you must avoid when starting your calligraphy journey and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, skipping the basics. Many beginners want to jump into writing names or full verses. But Arabic calligraphy is built on discipline and form. Start by practicing basic strokes and individual letter shapes. This foundation is everything. Practice these strokes first. Move your column up to down, left to right, down to up, and right to left. After that, you must have to practice the individual letters with cut because cut gives you exact measurements of the letters. Detailed video is available in my channel. Mistake number 2, using the wrong tools. A normal pen can't give you the control or line variation needed for proper calligraphy. Use a traditional reed or a bamboo pen and a smooth absorbent paper. Your tools should support your technique, not limit it. Mistake number 3, bad posture and pen grip. Slouching or gripping too tightly will tire your hand and distort your lines. Sit upright, keep your shoulder relaxed, and hold your pen at a 45-degree angle for smooth flowing strokes. Mistake number 4, not learning from traditional script. Arabic calligraphy is built on centuries of tradition. Whether you choose Naskh, Thuluth, or Diwani, stick to one style. Don't try to freestyle early on. It leads to confusion. Mistake number 5. And finally, number 5 is lack of patience. Calligraphy takes time and repetition. Don't expect perfection overnight. Even 15 minutes a day can lead to big progress. Enjoy the process. Every stroke count. Here I am writing the ayat and admit me into paradise. Wadkhuli jannati. Start with the proper line and cut. Keep your column at 45 degree. Use proper column and calligraphy ink and a smooth calligraphy paper. Stick to the fundamentals, use the right tools, and give yourself time to grow. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and share with fellow learners. See you in the next one. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.